What's up, lovely people? Welcome to the Bigger Face channel, right? If you're seeing me here at this point, at this time, at this place, you know that I'm bringing you was a pre-market analysis. I always bring to you guys. As you guys already know, anytime it's a new week, fresh start, the market is opening, right? I just kind of like share with you guys what I'm anticipating on the charts, for the coming days, for the week, the movement where I'm expecting the market to head to, right? So yes, as you guys already know, last week was very dead, like very long, right? But this week and how the market opened, you can tell that we're going to be having a good, nice, fresh, clean start. Right, so yes, I'll be updating you guys. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys in a bit. But before that, right, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I do this every day, bring to you guys back to back, bangers, related content towards forex trading, trading the market, right? So just subscribe. You don't want to be missing out on the videos I'll be dropping. Subscribe to the channel, right? Subscribe to the channel. But wait, in a bit, let me know what's your time. Let's get into the chat. Guys, this is my GBPJPY screen, right? You can see, so you can see that what uh prior from last week, right? The market closed here at this point, right? The market, closed after we had this drop, right? The market closed there at this point, and you can see that what the market opened just here at this point, filled the gap, and what gave us what further movement to the downside, right? So yes, guys, you can see that what already, it's already made the start of the week, and you can see that things are kind of like turning out to be positive, from this ranging zone, right? From how price was ranging in the past few weeks to this sudden drop, guys. It's already good news. Alright, it's already good news. You can see that what you can see the market was just ranging, and we just had this drop to the downside. You can see for yourself. Right, so hopefully we are able to get what, as I always say, the structural market, right? Which is what our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And as you can see, I have my zones outlined on the charts. Right, I'm not expecting too much. Right, I'm just moving with the market. Right, I'm just moving with the market. Yeah, as you guys can see, we have this area of interest here at this point. Right, I'm anticipating for what the market to uh, retest to this area of interest, pull back to this zone, right? Maybe this zone, but the probability of this happening, markets coming back to this zone, is very, very, very low. So I'm anticipating for market to pull back to this zone, so we can have what, a sell to the downside, right? And hopefully we're able to continue with what, our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high in that sequence, right? Nothing much, right? Just making sense, right? Automatically, just making it make sense, as I always say, right? So hopefully, yes, this week is a good one, and already we have some more fundamentals coming up, right? This week we have some fundamentals coming up, right? Monday we don't have anything that much, right? We just have the Fed chair Powell's Jerome Powell speech on Monday. Tuesday, we don't have anything, right? We don't have anything. We have this on uh, JPY, which is Standard Large Manufacturers Index, right? We're gonna see how it affects the market, right? Sorry, guys. On Wednesday, we have retail sales from the United States, right? I trade right, GBPJPY, but sometimes the fundamentals, from especially the United States affects some of the pairs, which is GJ as well, right? And on Thursday, we have some jobless claims, and on Friday, we have NFP, right? And some other unemployment rates. We're gonna see how it plays out, how it affects the market, right? How it plays it through on the chart, right? So yes, guys, let's see how it plays out. I'm updating you guys on whatever happens. Stay tuned. You guys saw it for yourself, very nice outlook, nice chart layout. You guys saw it for yourself, as I already said, expecting that clear clean structural movement, right? And in this point, you can see that what we'll be currently having some, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, which we hope it turns out to be so. You can see I have my zones marked out, right? Hopefully, markets react to those zones, so we'll be able to take our trades from that place, right? You know, we also have this week is gonna be like very, very, very kind of like late. We have fundamentals ahead of us. We're just hoping for the best, right? As a trader, all you can just do is that you just do your analysis, you just do your parts, and just make sure the market also meets you half half, so everything works out well, right? So yes, guys, as you guys already know, I'll be updating you guys always on whatever goes down, be updating you guys with the trades and everything I take, whether I take a L, I take profit and everything. I'll be showing it to you guys. I'll be updating you guys on how I did it, right? If it's a loss, what happened, what were the mistakes I made. If it was a win, the same thing. What were the things I did, so that you can double down, you can elaborate on them and also add it to your arsenal, right? It's your boy Big FX, right? It's been love since day one. I love you guys. Subscribe to the channel, don't to be missing out to what back to back videos I drop every day, right? It's been love since day one. I love you guys. Until we meet again next time. Peace out.